Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to solve this problem here. The problem is, if f is equal to xy into I plus yz into j plus zx into k, evaluate integration of the region C, f into dr, where C is the curve represented by x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z equals t cube, and t is greater than equal to minus 1 and lesser than equal to plus 1. Okay, a simple question here on what is that? Line integrals. See this integration of f into dr for this curve C represents what? Line integral. Okay, fine. Now they are given here f is equal to what? I write step by step, so please follow me carefully. Xy into I plus yz into j plus zx into k. Okay, now f into dr, see, as you know, r vector is equal to what? Xi plus yj plus zk. That means dr vector will be, dr means differentiation, dx into I plus dy into j plus dz into k. Done? This is what we have here. Now let's put it here. So f, we'll find first f into dr. So f into dr equals, what's f here? xy into I plus yz into j plus zx into k into dx into I plus dy into j plus dz into k. As you know, I will go to I, j to j, k to k, I into I is 1, j to j is 1, k to k is 1. We have discussed already this before in vector calculus, so please do refer the videos on that, refer the playlist on my channel. So we have f into dr equals, what's that? Okay, f into dr equals, see, I into I is 1, so that is xy dx plus yz dy plus zx dz. Now let's put in the the integral. So we have integral f into dr for the curve C is equal to integration of, what's that? Xy dx plus yz dy plus zx dx dz. Now we need to find the line integral, means a close path traced along a line and continued. It's like, you know, a needle with a thread. Where the needle moves, the thread moves. So we need a single thread here to go along the curved path and come back. So the thread here is t, is already given, so no tension in that. So everything, all the whole integral, I'll represent in terms of t. That's meaning of line integral along the single line, that is single thread, that is what? T. T, theta, whatever, x, y, z, whatever. Okay, here they are given t, so I am taking everything I am representing in terms of t. So here carefully, they are given here x is equal to t, so dx is equal to, see, everything I am representing in terms of t. Open your mind, understand here. Dx is equal to what? Dt. What is y is equal to t square? So what is dy is equal to 2t dt. Z is equal to what? T cube. See, they are given here. So dz is equal to what? 3 t square dt, and t is from where? Minus 1 to 1. That implies now this becomes t from minus 1 to t is equal to 1, everything in terms of t. Okay, this whole thing, no, whatever we have here, everything in terms of t. Okay, that means x is what? T into y is what? T square into dx is what? Dt plus yz, y is what? T square, z is what? T cube, dy is what? Here see, y is t square, dy is 2t dt, everything in terms of t. Lastly, what is z? T cube into x, what is x? T into, what is dz? 3t square dt, 3t square dt. So let's simplify this now. That implies minus 1 to 1, t is equal to t cube dt plus t raised to 5, it is 2 right here, I will simplify it. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5, 6. 2t raised to 6 dt plus again 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 t raised to 6 dt, correct? 3 plus 1, 4, 6. Yeah, perfect. So this will be now again, it implies equals to minus 1 to 1 t equal to t cube plus 3 plus 2, 5. See, because both are same, t raised to 6, 5 t raised to 6 dt. You can solve this now. You can use a calculator also, or you can solve directly, because integration of t cube is what? T raised to 4 over 4 plus 5 into integration of t raised to 6 is what? T raised to, because integration of x is t n is x t n plus 1 by n plus 1. So we can write t6 as t raised to 7 over 7 plus 6 plus 1, 7, and the limits are minus 1 to 1. Okay, so you can solve this here now. See, we already integrated this. So this will be now again 1 by plus, in place of t put 1 by 4 plus 5 by 7 minus bracket. Again in place of t put 1, so minus 1 raised to 4 will be minus plus 1 only, 1 by 4 minus, this will be in place of t raised to 7 put minus 1, so minus is order, so it will be minus 5 by 7. So this will be now 1 by 4 plus 5 over 7 minus 1 by 4 plus 5 over 7, cancel, so 5 plus 5, 10. So answer is equal to nothing but 10 over 7. That's all. So that implies the integration of f into dr equals 10 over 7. That's the answer. Beautiful. Okay, that's the perfect answer here. I hope you got it clear. So you can do this, because there is a single variable, right? It's single variable t, right? So you can do this in calculator also. Many calculators have the integration function. Okay, if you have two variable, then there is only one variable t, so you can do it directly. So you can press integration here, and then integration. You can put this in place of t, you can put x here, because x is mentioned variable given here. So you can write here, it's what? T cube, right? So x cube. You can write here x cube. Sorry, alpha, it will be alpha x cube plus, it will be plus, it is 5, right? 5 alpha x raised to 6, then go down, so minus 1, go top, plus 1 equals to, it will take some time. Yeah, perfect. The answer is 10 by 7. That's the 100% perfect answer. So whatever you calculate, you can use that and get the answer directly also, or verified. So that's all for today's video. Simple and interesting question to understand the concept of line integral. So further I will be moving out with more mid-level and difficult problems on line integration, Green's theorem, Stokes theorem, so on. So please stay updated from my channel. Please do refer these videos to your friends and classmates as much as possible and do the good work. That's all for today's video. So please practice well. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.